In a consumer-driven world, versatility and customization are two highly prized commodities. This is true in the pet container industry, where there is a constant need for the new and different. And we understand this better than anyone else. We are Acme Drinktec Solutions, dedicated to shaping your world. Acme Drinktec Solutions, or ADS, is a leading manufacturer and supplier of single-stage ISBM molds for containers made of PET, PP, PC, Triton and their like. Owing to our understanding of our clients' requirements, we have come to distinguish ourselves in the PET container industry with our high-quality offerings, with our customized and flexible solutions that offer unmatched value to our clients' manufacturing facility. Today, the company's excellence is entirely due to the vast experience, dynamism and vision of our founder and managing director, Mr. Sukhbir Singh. Under his leadership, ADS has embarked upon a journey of fame and success. We are an associate of Acme Dye Systems, the market leader in PET preforms, and share the manufacturing legacy of the ever-popular Acme Group. ADS is home to the best that there is in the PET domain know-how today and draws from a rich repository of collective experience of over 50 years. At ADS, we provide value addition by customizing molds for specific requirements. The number of cavities a mold offers has a direct relation to the output, and it is here that we give our manufacturers the advantage of flexibility. We offer better mold matrix optimization to increase volumes, and the advantage goes right up to the end consumer. ADS equips itself with the best of infrastructure and domain know-how. ADS employs the most advanced CNC and VMC machines procured from industry-leading Japanese and Korean companies for manufacturing precision machine molds. Components machined on the CNC and VMC lines are then worked upon by our in-house conventional tool room, which houses precision machines for milling, turning, surface grinding and other associated tooling requirements. A crucial link in the manufacturing chain at ADS is done in our advanced mold assembly shop. Here, under close scrutiny, every mold part gets assembled to form individual units made to exact specifications. A range of ASB machines put every mold to the test to ensure that we are able to consistently offer molds that can be employed for production from day one at our customer's end. All of these disciplines at ADS, including dedicated testing stations, come together as one to offer the mold customization that we are today known for. The Design Lab at ADS is where the product design innovation and feasibility study is carried out. Innovative mold designs and the molding process are simulated at our labs for reliability. This, among other things, also allows us to check for optimal thickness, thread fitment, and other key parameters. Our design expertise lets us achieve optimum mold manufacturing, shorter delivery periods with lesser testing needs. At ADS, quality assurance begins at the raw material stage and continues till the final dispatch. For us, it is a series of quality tests at various stages, implemented by a comprehensive quality assurance policy. As much as the strength of the mold parts and base are tested for wear and tear, the lowest possible cavity-to-cavity weight and dimensional variations are also made possible because of our approach. All these efforts finally translate into products that are unmatched in terms of affordability, adaptability, and enhanced productivity. Moreover, our after-sales team ensures that our clients get 24/7 support. On account of our products and service quality, we have become a globally trusted name today. At ADS, a crucial component of our culture of excellence is our human resource, the people behind our brand, the people who man our machines and drive our mission through their commitment. With our state-of-the-art infrastructure, dedicated and talented personnel, and a world-class research and design facility, ADS is poised to take off into the future with a wide range of innovative solutions that will suit the requirements of various container manufacturers and help them to enhance their productivity and sales. We believe that no dream is too small and no task too challenging for us. We intend to channel our excellent position and push towards even greater levels of service and success. ADS, dedicated to shaping your world.